Renegades, and I honestly don't even know if we're going live right now or what. This is my new computer setup, and I have a new thing on Restream, so this is different than any one that I've ever done before, and so I need to go and check and see what's going on YouTube if we're actually live. What's going on right now? Oh, I am live. Oh my gosh. Oh, and look at that thumbnail that it has. Cool, guys. Nice. So I guess we're just going to do this video right now. Might as well, right? Since we're already here. Yeah. Welcome, guys, to another episode of Bitcoin Renegade. And now we have our, let me see, our Chromebook. And so our other computer is right in front of us as well. I hope this sounds better, guys. Let me know if it sounds better, but I also need to know where the chat is. Oh, here's the chat. Hey, now I can see everybody talking. The only thing is now I have to share on the video because nobody obviously knows that I'm live because, well, we normally don't even go live till 6 o'clock. But let me know how the chat sounds. This is restream.io, which is pretty cool. Hold on, let me see. We can have that, or we can actually look at this. I like that it actually has so many ways for me to see this. And I can actually switch from that to that. Hey guys, what's up? I'm just having a lot of fun with this thing. I really like it. I'm glad I got this. Look at the picture. It is so good. It's like 720 p, way better than my other camera. The other camera looked like I was back in like 1930. I do need better light in here because I'm a little bit orange, and maybe I can mess with the lighting a little bit, but this is my first live stream with the Chromebook OS. I don't even know. Hold on. Let me see if it's actually even sending a live stream comment that we are going right now to other people. Hold on. I don't even know. I just kind of was setting it up and I wanted to see if it worked. And I was like, well, I might as well go with the flow already and see how it sounds. But it doesn't look like, nope, it's not in any of the notifications. So that's the problem. So now I got to figure out how I'm going to share this from here. I've never shared from on here before. And there's no stop screen sharing, no. Mute, no. Private chat, no. There's got to be a way, guys. Hold on. Maybe you can see it. Here, I'll switch this. Well, there's nobody live right now. That's why we really need other people. So hold up. Where do you share on this one? Chaps, catch, graphics. You could record, live stream. But there's no share button. Like on YouTube, you know, when you stream on the OBS, it has a share button. But I don't see a share button on here. How are you supposed to share your live stream? Settings, maybe? Nope. Video, wait. Video, nope. I don't know, guys. What am I doing? This is my first time on this computer. And I honestly don't know how to share this video with anybody. Brand settings? Why do they make it so hard to share the video? Hold on. Invite guests? Nope. Add source? Nope. End stream? Nope. Recording? Nope. Graphics? Maybe you can't share it on here on live stream. That's what I'm starting to think, that there is no way to share it. Hold on. I'm going to have to look at this. There might be something on here. While you're live streaming on Restream, how do you share your video?
According to Restream Studio allows you to broadcast your content to all your favorite live streaming platforms at once. Simply add channels in your Restream dashboard, and your broadcast will automatically be transferred to each one of them when you go live. No additional.
I don't want to share my screen. I want to. How do I share the video? How to share live stream on Restream. Just click on the invite guests button below your stream member. Share your link with guests. But I don't want to invite people to join the stream. Invite guests. Add source. Okay, let's just try it. Oh. That is not what I want to do. I don't want to invite guests. Yeah, it's pretty simple. How to share the live stream on Restream, but it will not tell me how. Hold on. You know what I can do? I can do it on my phone and my other computer. I don't have to do it through Restream, guys. See, this is why I have a big brain sometimes. Because now I can just go on my other computer right here, and that's what I'm going to do. I am going to literally share this. Oh, and it looks so good too. Oh my God, it looks so much better, guys. So much better. I'm so happy. Man, my channel's going to take off now. I'm so happy about this because my live stream, it looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that picture. It's just gorgeous looking. My other one before just looked garbage. So what I'm doing, sorry guys, is I'm sharing this on my other computer that I have right next to this one. So I have two computers set up right now. I was going to just live stream with the other computer, but I was like, man, I want to see what this new one has, see what it's got. And I love it. I really like this new one here. I need to figure out how to get the subscribe and like to stay right there without. See, I'm moving the wrong way. There we go. That's the way I need to go. So I need to bring this over here. There we go. Much better, right? No? See, I still move in the way. All right, anyway. So we're going to be talking about the Taproot upgrade on Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about a lot of other good fun stuff as well. So let's just get these out here and let people actually know we're live. I don't think it went out to anybody. So that sucks. Live streams don't always go out to people. So now what I need to do is share this on Twitter, and then I can get it on my phone. See, it's hard to get it on my phone when I'm doing live. So I've found ways around it. And now all I'm going to do is add a bunch of hashtags to this real quick. That's why my videos have been seen a lot more too, is because I've been putting tags on everything, a lot of tags and more tag. I never did the actual tags in the description part as well as the tag part. I always left the tag part alone and always only tagged in the description, and that hurt my videos. So now we learned, or I learned. I don't know why I always say we. Because when I say we, I'm talking about the channel. You know what I mean? Me and the channel. Like we as a channel learned. So don't think I have like a split personality that I talk about. It's just me and the channel. You know what I mean? So the saddest day ever. No way. I hope he's all right. We've been struggling lately as people, but me and my family have been too, and I'm in a stupid little fight right now. I don't really want to talk about it. It's dumb. I'm not really fighting, so I guess someone's just ignoring me. But I love you, dude. So oh well. Anyway, paste. All right, we'll get this done faster than you can. Not that anybody's there. At least, I don't know. It looks like nobody's there, but there might be. Share with the group. Okay. That should be just about everybody there. Okay. Now we can actually switch this account. And there's a few other things I can do as well. Whoops. Okay, there it is, I think. Yeah. Okay, now I gotta go on the phone here. Alrighty. Now I just gotta share it on my phone. Oh, okay, there are people now. So, sorry guys, this is just a testing of my new computer, and we're doing a live stream. We'll get into the actual video here in a while. I will actually put in the description below when we actually are starting the official video. That way, if you want to come back later and watch it from the point, or you can just chill with us and we'll get to it here in a few minutes. But I definitely will at least put a timestamp when we're going to start the video after I start sharing. Sorry, this is just, we'll basically probably start right around 6 o'clock like we normally do. Probably, maybe that's what I'll do, or maybe a little before 6 if we get done too soon, which we're probably going to, because all I have to do is share a couple more places. But yeah, and then we'll just go like an hour and a half once we get people over here. So that's the only thing, when it doesn't send the notifications out, it's a lot harder to get people over here, because my normal people will smash the like button and watch for a while, and it'll get more people over here. That's what ends up happening. So that's what we're going for here. What I need to do is get on Twitter. Hope my guy is okay real quick. I got to check on him. Sorry. My friend. Yeah, even if you're doing a live stream and your friend's down, so, you know, all it takes is just a quick, hey, you know, how you doing? To know that you're thinking about them. That you know, take time just to you know, say what's up. And so I like to use the channel not only to talk about crypto, but also to, you know, give people like just little nuggets of, you know, positivity, you know, and if I can inspire people, that's even better. So a lot of people would never think you could use a crypto channel to actually inspire people and, you know, do positive things, but it is possible. I'm proof of that. So. All right, here we go. It should be right. Cha. Cool. Taproot upgrade 4, and then I just got to copy this, and then I go right into the video. Okay, and now I start sharing it with everything. There we go. Tweet. So more people will start coming now that I'm sharing. I hope, yeah, it does look, it looks so good when I'm looking at it on another screen. Like I just love the crispness, and it's really clear. So that makes me happy. Joy. Happy, joy. So, and I'll always be able to see now if my head's in the way. So my big head will never get in the way again and ruin a video. That would be nice. So. BTC Taproot update. The article I'm going to read to you guys about the BTC Taproot upgrade is amazing. It tells a ton of things that it's going to do for Bitcoin in the upgrade. So we'll get into that here in a minute. Here we go. Got to do it inside here now as well. There we go. Get in the Telegram group now. Now the inner council is going to start to know. Now more people should get over here. That should be the last place to do is now Express Crypto. And I'm even possibly going to do an ad, maybe. Yeah, an ad. An ad. Let's do an ad. Come check out my new Chromebook, everybody. Yeah, I love it. Man, I might give this other laptop away to someone if they, if someone needs a laptop. I kind of like having two, but like if someone needs a laptop, I'd rather give it to someone. So maybe I'll ask someone at my church if they need a laptop, or I don't know. Maybe someone somewhere needs one and I'll be able to gift it to them, and it will be a blessing for them, because that's the kind of thing that I think about. Let's see, 19 hours on publish aux, can't do that. Okay, let's get over to Express Crypto. If you guys haven't heard of a crypto site called Odyssey, check that out too. It used to be called Library, and even if you look up Library Crypto, you can still get directed to the Odyssey channel. Basically, it's like a crypto network. BitBoy Crypto's on there. All the other crypto people are kind of on there. If you get paid in crypto for connecting your channel to their site, and then hey, what's up? And good to see you. And connecting your site to there, and then they give you crypto for it. And a lot of the crypto goes to promoting your video. Like if you get tips on there, it goes to making your video more seen. And then after a while, after your videos aren't really relevant anymore, if you don't want to promote them, you can take those tips out of there and either put them in other videos or actually just cash out. It's pretty cool. So check out Odyssey for sure, or Library. It used to be Library, but it's a crypto site where you can watch my videos, you can watch other people's videos, and you can earn crypto as well. I'm not sure how you earn crypto. Yeah, I think you can earn a lot of crypto from just watching as well, and you don't have to be a creator. So that's pretty good too. So how do you guys like the new setup? I really love it. I think it looks amazing. I can do so much with the screen. Look at this. I can do half and half, which is half me and half like someone else, or half, the screen, or I could do close up half and half with me and the screen, or I could do, this would be a third person, or I could do me big, the screen little, or I could switch them over and make me little and the screen big. Or I could have a bunch of us down here because I can invite guests, and then have the screen up here and we can all talk about this together. So this is pretty cool to me. And then I can still see my head right here. So I know that my head ain't in the way. I can see the screen on this one. So this makes it a lot better. Or I could do it on the side right here. So this thing's cool. I like it. I really do. So I think this is maybe the one that more of the other YouTubers use. because I've seen this type of screenplay on their channels. So that to me says, yeah, this is probably what the other YouTubers use. I've seen them do this exact thing before. Exactly. So it's pretty cool though. And I only could use this, I guess, on Chrome because I'm not able to use OBS on Chrome because it's a Linux-based operating system, and OBS doesn't operate with an OBS or with a Linux-based operating system unless you have a certain add-on device. And this one doesn't have the add-on device or something, but I thought it was cool. And the King Love was right. On the side of this thing right here, on the side, I can't really show you because the camera's on the top and you can't move the camera, but on the side of this laptop is a stylus because this Chromebook is actually a touch screen. So, you know, I just kind of touchy, you know, touchy, reach out and touch you. Oh, and as soon as I touched it with the stylus, they said, here's the stylus tools. So that was pretty cool. I don't know what it meant. Oh, cool. And I can move stuff around without, you know, here. Oh, yeah, I can switch these. Let's see. Can I switch my, oh, it's harder though. No, it won't let me switch to my face with it. Yeah, it only works when I do that. Okay, that's the only thing it won't do. It won't let me. Okay, now I know. Why would you? Okay, I think that's just to get it in and out of there. I was like, why is it like a pin? It doesn't retract or anything because it has this thing. I think it's just to get it in and out of the side of the thing here. And it's a good, nice and safe holding place for it too. You just put it in there. You need to get it out. You just press the button. Oh yeah. Wait, what's on here? Oops, did I turn my computer off just now? I almost turned it off. That was lucky that it didn't turn off. Oh my goodness. I about crapped myself there. Hold on, I will be right back. Oh, I don't have any more soda. Ran out of Pepsi. Go get some more. All right, now let's get into the video now that we did all that. And what we are going to do, I don't even know how much of the screen you guys can see, so let's do it like this. Now, let me see what you guys, so I can't tell what you guys can see. So do you see this whole new tab over here? I'd be careful with Cartesi right now. It's going down a lot, so I think it will help a lot. How is my voice, guys? How is the picture? So Weepin' One and Mr. Tien, so will you answer those two questions for me? How is my voice and how is the picture? Well, I can see the picture is really good, but how is it for you? It looks good to me, but yes, so Bitcoin's supposed to rise because of the Taproot upgrade. We're going to have a big all-time high. It's going to be incredible, you guys. I want to get the right one, though. Was it on Coinbase? Oh, right here. Might already be priced in. Last time network locked in a major upgrade in July 2017, the Bitcoin cryptocurrency price jumped almost 50%. The last time the network locked in a major upgrade. Oh my God, guys. So if we go 50% from where we're at right now, we're going to hit over $112,000, just like I said. Yeah, baby. Yeah. What? Short Bitcoin. No, I want to see where the video is that I saw earlier or the article I saw earlier. I'm going to go in and find it real quick. Because I don't think any of these are the articles that I saw. I apologize to everybody for being so negative earlier in my Algorand video. I had just been losing a lot of money. I wasn't trying to spread FUD. I just, I was overwhelmed, and I apologize for that. If I made anybody, scared and want to sell their Bitcoin, I do apologize for that. So that was not my goal to do that. So let's see here. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Bitcoin Magazine, Understanding Taproot in a Simple Way. Okay, well, it's not here at all. So hold on, Bitcoin Magazine. Here we go, right there. This is a good article, and we'll go in and look at some of the other ones as well. But I want you guys to see this one. So the highly anticipated upgrade is set to roll out over the weekend, changing Bitcoin for the better. So basically, what does Taproot do? Well, there's 4 different things that it's going to do. The improvements can be broken down into, 3 categories, sorry, not 4, each affecting the other, and each necessary to the final construct. Taproot successfully increases security and also allows flexibility and scalability with the introduction of a new language that is ever expanding. The 3 categories of changes to summarize are as follows. Schnorr signatures. So this is a new form of a signature that allows for superior security, lower fees, and flexible multi-signature transactions. Okay, and then they use something called sig hash or signature hash. So next is Taproot, which is the name of the actual upgrade, but it is an actual part of the upgrade, the Taproot part. So the entire update is named after this portion because this is how the new system integrates with the old one. Bitcoin script update allows the scripting language to use Schnorr signatures and integrates the Merkleized alternative script keys. Masked. So pay to Taproot gives the freedom of choice. You can either use Schnorr signatures or the Merkle route provided in masked. Satisfy the requirements of your choosing, which allows for cleaner transaction processing when the Merkle tree may not be needed. Okay, then you have TapScript. It is a collection of OP codes or opcodes, which are essentially just lines of codes that execute common commands on the Bitcoin protocol that have been updated to make way for new changes installed by Taproot. It can be referred to as a language, but is more like an update to the Bitcoin script. Bitcoin script has a 10,000 byte script limit, which will be removed, allowing for vastly larger scripts or Taproot contracts. It also removes the cap for opcodes, which allows for more flexibility for increased features and coding in the future. Now, this is the most important part right here. This removal of script size and unfettered growth available in scripting allows a clear path to smart contracts. Yes! You guys, do you know what that means? All of these other cryptos like Badger, like Internet Computer Price, and all of these other ones that are opening the door of DeFi to Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is opening the door back to them and saying, let's get it done. Now Bitcoin is, doing an upgrade to make it intertwine better with those smart contracts. And what does that mean? That means DeFi. That means Bitcoin is going into DeFi now and adding another $1 trillion possibility to the market. How could it not go up? I mean, so I'm pretty happy this is happening, and it's going to happen this weekend. So you could literally expect to see a $80,000 to $90,000 Bitcoin possibility by next week. Not necessarily, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, common sense. But if you read what it said before the last time we had a big upgrade like this in July 2017, it raised the price by 50%. So, yeah. So, there's that. Now, what is crypto doing right now? This is a brand new computer, so it doesn't have any pre-search terms or anything in there. Okay. That'd be cool if I could get my videos on here onto CoinMarketCap. I applied to be an influencer or something for them. I don't remember what it was, but something like that. Yeah, cryptocurrencies, not ranking. I just want to see charts. Gosh, not ranking. There we go. Let's just look at, well, let's go to Ethereum first because it needs to recover from where it is right now. We need to figure it out. What are you doing, Ethereum? Let's make that bigger there. All right. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad at all. And actually, what do we see here? It's a mini bull flag, if you ask me. Yeah, that's 100% a pennant. Ethereum is going to do great. I mean, you could either go from the bottom of here or actually I'm going to just go to the bottom of this to the top. Be conservative now. So we're talking a $5,000 Ethereum if this bull flag plays out. Pretty cool, huh? From the bottom of the pole to the top of the flag. So look at that bull flag. It looks like Ethereum is getting ready to slam dunk another raise this weekend. It's looking beautiful. Okay, we're going to just go through a lot of these real quick on TradeView because I know you guys like to see this. And if I'm looking at the comments over here too, it's a lot easier for me to look now because I have a big screen over here. Is there a code for this we can look for to buy? What do you mean? Oh, I don't know. I hadn't heard about that at all. What do I think about Elon saying Doge space trip or something? I don't know. And Doge being $1 soon. If they're doing some big stuff with Doge, then I might look into buying some because it'll pump. Is paying for the next space trip or something. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'd like to look into that. That sounds pretty interesting. So now let's go to let's do XYO. What is happening with Mr. XYO? 7 cents again? Oh wow. Yeah, this one it doesn't fail to shock and amaze, does it? Now this is going to be a crazier one because look at this giant bull flag that it had right here. And it did break to the upside with it right here. You see that? And it went all the way up here, but then we're having a retest. And are we actually doing another freaking bull flag again? I mean, come on. This thing is just flapping in the wind here, flapping in the wind, oh, flapping in the wind. It's a pennant, it's a pennant, it's a pennant. I guess it's too soon to say, but still, it does look like a pennant. Bull flag again. So there is a possibility that it could go up again massively. Let's look at the volume, volume. Yeah, there's still a nice big amount of volume. Look at the little amount there. Big amounts. Every time it starts to get up around this amount, we have big moves. And it is still high volume. So on each one. So we have to keep an eye on this one. Where is the volume going next? We can't really tell from here because the volume is really small right here. All right. So there you have it. There's that. Or it even could be a bigger pattern. And I don't really know what that could be. Yeah. It wouldn't be that. I don't know. You'd have to go like maybe right here. And then, yeah, that's just not gonna, nope, not happening. All right, so that's all I see for that one. There is, possibly some support right here. You could draw like a line right here and then a line right here, kind of, but that would be a bull flag again, kind of, and then whatever, we're up here. So things are looking weird for XYO. I don't know what that is. So let's move on. Could be a bull flag though. Now let's look at Cardano, because this is the one that they already introduced smart contracts, but they haven't had a lot of problems introducing them. So with a lot of the new things like the Cardano or the Cardano stablecoin ecosystem will really help that. Now, if we go to the trading view version, we can see if there's any money to be made. It looks like this looks almost exactly the same as New Cipher, Polygon, and all of the other ones. Look at this. It ran up from $1.20 all the way up to $3 and then back down over here. We had a pump. We had a nice pump, guys. I was telling you, Cardano is looking pretty good. And with Cardano coming out soon, things pump. But I don't know, the whole market dumped here. So we had a big dump on everything. After we were on our way up, guys. That's the bad part about it, is when this dump happened, everything was on its way up. So everybody was going to start purchasing, and then we had a market-wide dump. And I heard, guess what? I heard the reason for the dump was because of something about the interest rates and them being the highest that they've ever been. So the dollar is doing really, really well right now. And when the dollar does well, Bitcoin and crypto don't do as well. Historically, crypto kind of moves against the dollar, but as inflation worries rise, all that money is going to come looking for a home, and it's going to come to crypto, and it's going to find places like Cardano, it's going to find crypto wide, mainly Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, and other hedge against inflation ones, but it'll also come into the make a couple quick bucks crypto too. So Cardano is definitely going to feel some positivity out of that. Now let's look. There's definitely a clear bottom here, a clear support line right there, going all the way back to when it first pumped at $1. What is this? $1.96, $1.95. So, and it starts at $1.90, and we're at 204 now. So this is clear support, $1.90 all the way back to the beginning of the bull market. So it's probably not going to go below there. So when you saw this crypto at this price, you should have been buying as much as possible. Even right now, look how low it is to the low support price, guys. This is the low support price. Now, we haven't broke below this in months. So why would you not accumulate the crap out of that right now and get as much as you could this whole time right here? See, and then it goes up. Yeah, we have another dip. You get another chance because what's going to happen? We're going to have more pumps. When these contracts, smart contracts start working and the DeFi money starts pumping in even more, it's going to be on. It's going to be fun. I like that. All right. Do you want to talk about cartesi or Algorand next? Let's do cartesi since somebody already said something about cartesi. Because this one went so far up and then just dumped. So I would look for a dip purchase opportunity because this one's going to pump again. When one pumps like that really, really, really super hard, let's look at the 7-day because it doesn't look like it pumped anything today. Look at that. Yeah, it pumped super hard from 82 cents all the way up to, you know, double that, like $1.60 something. And then we're sitting at $1.18 right now. And this is a reset. Look at that. So things are looking beautiful for this one. Now let's get into the trading view. I've never, ever done technical analysis on this one. But if you want to look at it, guys, look what we see in cartesi. Again, same exact thing. Bull flag, pin it. And if this one breaks out, oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. So if it breaks out from here, oh, it almost goes right up to the top of that sucker. So we actually might even be up higher when it breaks. What if it breaks out when it's right here? Then it'll be exactly where it was. So maybe we'll have a higher breakout point. But let's just put that back down where it's supposed to be right now. Right there. At the top. If we break out to the top of this, this will go all the way up to $1.65, let's say. Yep. $1.65. You see this one, bull flag looking thing, kind of, it didn't play out. Bear flag looking thing, didn't play out. Just a lot of teasing. That looks like a bull flag right there too. And it did kind of bull flag it a little bit. See, every time we have this big pump and a downward trajectory afterwards, that's how a bull flag forms. A big pump and then a big dump right after. Bull flag. All right, last but not least, have we talked about Algorand yet? One of my favorite cryptos? I don't think we have. So let's go right into Algorand. What? 209. See, I almost bought this at $1.83 the other day. That would have been a good purchase price, even right now when it's coming down a little bit. Ooh, 210. Oh, I'm going to be wired all night. That's coffee. I normally don't drink coffee at night, but I didn't have any soda, so I had to wet the old, what do you call it, the chewing hole? The old chewing hole. 211. Wait, wasn't this just 210 a second ago? Oh, okay. And then 209 before that. Whoa, look at that. We just had a big dump. Look at these big canyons and pumpers. See, this is how a crypto normally acts. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I kind of like this version better, guys. Do you like it better like this, or would you rather have me Would you rather have it like this? Where you see the whole screen and I'm just on the bottom part like that? Or would you rather have it half and half like that? What do you guys like better? Or do you like this one better? Now let's go back over here. No, that one's not as good. I don't like that one as good. Do you guys? We could do... Yeah, no, this is the best one, I think. Like this one, I mean, this one would be good if we had some other stuff in the background to show, or maybe like we were just, I don't know, we had a bunch of people, it would probably be good. But, you know, this one I think is where it's at. Except I think I want this one over here. Yeah, I want to be on that side. I don't want to be on the other side. Oh, gosh. Gosh. See? I switched. I know I'm a goofball sometimes, but deal with it. Look at this volume that was in Algorand. Look at all that volume steadily rising. And we actually have more volume now up here than we did over here. See that? And we're lower now than we were over here. But we have more volume coming in right now. If you look, we have $1.6 billion in volume in Algorand. That shows you that it's not stopping anytime soon. The amount of volume is actually increased by 100%. So that I would definitely take that into consideration on what's happening. This is what the RSI right here, right? Is that what this is? I don't know what this thing is. It looks like the RSI index. Oh, what is that? Oh. Okay. So I can see on the RSI where we're at what point. That's pretty cool. I like it. I like it. So if I wanted to go to the biggest peak, which would be right here. Yep, right there's the biggest peak. Yep, that is the biggest peak too. Pretty nifty. Pretty. Whoa, what is that? Oh. Wow, that's what this crypto did today? Woo! 213 to 213, 213 to 213. Ah, that's just one day. That's why. Ooh, it looked like it's going down further. Look at that. It went from 210, 211, 212. Look at that. 211 all the way back down, baby. Uh-oh. Rut-row. We're spready rows. But Algorand is the best crypto. I love it. I always wanted to buy it at this price right down. Hold on. I'll show you what price I want to buy this one at. Right here. 88 cents. All day long, every day, dream price, twice on Tuesday, 100 times on Saturday, and every day of the week after that. So I'm having fun with this live stream. I can't believe it's only been like 30 some minutes into this live stream. So let's go into a little bit more about what Taproot is. And see what some of these other people say. A major upgrade to Bitcoin is happening soon. Here's what investors should know, but I want to read this one. Market wrap. Bitcoin expected to rise on Taproot upgrade. So Bitcoin due to hit 90K in coming weeks despite pullback. Latest technical analysis. Hold up. Let's go to this one first. My TA says 112 grand. So I want to see what theirs says. Bitcoin still on a run to $90,000 in the coming weeks after trapping leverage traders. In its latest market update on November 12th, trading platform DCentrader underscored popular sentiment on Bitcoin price action. Update: high time frames remain bullish. Despite losing $4,000 in a single day on November 10 and trending sideways since, Bitcoin is anything but bearish, many analysts argue. With short-term conditions punishing leveraged long traders, but funding rates still high, however, holders may be in for more pain before a recovery kicks in. When it does, a new all-time highs are due, DCentrader believes. We remain bullish on high time frames and continue to expect the price to rally up to the $85,000 to the $90,000 region in the coming weeks, which aligns with the 1.618 fib retracement level, the update stated. So the fib level is right around 85 to 90 grand, and it normally, can touch those levels. So in a crazy bull market. An accompanying chart showed the target as well as nearby support levels, the nearest focusing on an area around 59,000, which separate researchers believe could act as a strong line in the sand for bulls. So that's pretty cool. While not specifically identical with either the 2013 or 2017 bull runs, Bitcoin is still in the process of laying the foundations for a parabolic run-up. I think it is almost exactly the same, and I don't think it's as different as everybody thinks it is. So as we attempt to break out a previous all-time high from May this year, it is setting up the prospect of a potential parabolic run-up as we saw in the late stages of the previous bull runs. Yeah, we're going to have a parabolic run, guys. It's not over. We're having a major pump coming soon. And that's what I'm telling you. And this Taproot upgrade might just throw us into overdrive, guys. So so this is a perfect example. Like you watch Fast and the Furious, right? And every time they're in a race, how do they win that race? They both have fast cars, right? Well, whoever hits that nitrous at the right time wins the race, right? So this is the nitrous for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is in the dead heat, neck and neck with the Bulls and the Bears, neck and neck. Who's going to win? The Bulls, the Bears, Vin Diesel, Paul, whatever that other guy's name is that everybody loves. Neck and neck, neck and neck, neck and neck. And then, boom, Taproot, nitrous oxide, boom, Bitcoin wins the race. The Bulls win. And we get a $90,000 Bitcoin. And it makes a cool sound when nitrous oxide hits too. It's like, I love it. Some analysts expect a price rise as the Bitcoin network receives the most significant upgrade since 2017. Remind you that the market and Bitcoin went up 50% after that upgrade as well. So be prepared for a massive pump. Cryptocurrencies were mostly lower on Friday after buyers failed to sustain an all-time high and sustain the all-time price highs reached in Bitcoin and Ether earlier this week. Analysts expect trading activity to advance next week following the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade, which aims to improve privacy and efficiency on the blockchain network. Bulls may have some power left to push the market higher as a result of the Taproot upgrade. Lucas, this guy said, officer at Bitpanda, wrote in an email to CoinDesk. The upgrade is expected to be implemented in the next few days. Although other analysts expect minimal impact on Bitcoin's price, it's possible some investors have entered long positions ahead of the Taproot upgrade, given BTC's near 30% gain over the past few months. So, yep, there you have it, guys. So volatility declines, huh? It is drifting back toward a one-year low, according to option data. So we're supposedly, this is realized volatility of Bitcoin. it has been all the way up to over 150% before. Look where we're at right now. We are basically under 50% volatility. We're at about a 46%, 46%, 45% volatility right now. That's pretty good. The last time we were down here was May. The last time we had a major bull run. And then this right here was the bear market. Way more volatile in a bear market. This is when it kept going from 30 to 40 and then back down to 30, 30 to 40, back down to 30. That's what happened right here. And then, we started going up. This is probably when it went to 40 another time, and then back down to like 35, and then finally had our bull run. Probably a reset. So yeah, there you have it. Wow. So what do you guys want to do? Let's do some chat. Let's do some chapping it up. What's up, y'all? Chat right here. Oh, I can do chat on here. No, there is no chat on here. Okay, that's weird. Can you guys see that or no? You can't. You can't see my whole page. Hold on. You should be able to see it all. That's weird. Oh, well, never mind. But I can still do Q&A. How do I do it, though? How am I going to do Q&A on this thing? This has me a little bit stumped, guys, because this isn't like my other system. Hold on. Let me do this. I know one thing that I do have to do is turn this off. There we go. Now let's just do Q&A. If you guys haven't, I know you've been here with me for a while, but please subscribe to the channel. Did it on the other side. I always do it on the wrong side because it's on the left side over here. But anyway, if you guys haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Right there, those ones. Yeah, right there. Yeah, that way. And hit that like button because it helps my self-esteem and it might help my teeth grow back. So if you want my teeth to grow back, hit that like button. They will just magically sprout out. Now let's get to these questions. Okay, now let's go right into her first question that I answered before. With my fancy compass jaw. Good to see. Cool. Is there a code for this we can look for to buy? Wait, what? A code for what? What were we talking about at that time? I don't know. I have no clue what you're talking about. A code looked inside. If you want to tell me what we're talking about, that'd be cool. What do you think about Elon saying, okay, let's look at that now. Doge space trip. Okay, let's look. Doge space trip. Doge, one moon mission set for launch with SpaceX in early 2022. Elon's Dogecoin funded moon mission partners with blockchain firms. That was a couple days ago news. Elon Musk Dogecoin space dream nears liftoff. I know my dream's almost near liftoff too with that 12,000 viewed video the other day. And then the day before that, or 2 days before, 1 or 2 days before that, I got another 7,000 viewed video, but that happened in 2 days. So I am so thankful. I don't know if somebody bought those views for me or if it was generic views or if YouTube did it, because I don't know. I don't know how they happened, but I'm thankful no matter what. I hope they were generic. I hope they came from YouTube. I hope they weren't, no one paid for it, because if no one paid for it, that means I earned all those views. I don't know. That would cost a lot of money if someone paid for it, though. 12,000 views or 7. Oh my gosh, that would be about $1,000 or more just for the 7,000 views, and then 12,000. That would have been another like $300-$400. So I wouldn't do that. That would be a lot of money, like thousands of bucks probably. I don't know. But yeah, Doge 1 moon mission set for launch with SpaceX. I think it's kind of boring. Elon Musk is boring. Like, he has so much money and he can do so many cool things, but he's just going to send people to the mission, Dogecoin mission to Mars or the moon. What? Okay, whatever. Mission to the moon is set. I mean, that is kind of cool if you got to go. I mean, I would love to go to the moon. That'd be tight. And manufacturer Geometric Energy Corporation, also known as GEC. Smart exchange ecosystem Unizen and decentralized finance incubator ZenX announced Wednesday that they are in the process of building and launching Doge 1, a 40-kilogram, roughly 88 pounds, cube satellite that will provide a new use case for cryptocurrencies. Wow. The CubeSat will travel to a stable lunar orbit in order to obtain spatial intelligence from sensors and cameras that will be sent back to the GEC for analysis. Oh my goodness. Do you think this is why XYO is doing so well? Do you know that all XYO does is geospatial data? Dude, no wonder XYO has been blasting off. I bet you they're the company that is partnered with them, not just Dogecoin, but I bet XYO has something to do with this, because when I heard geospatial intelligence or lunar spatial intelligence, yeah, and then GEC and sensors and cameras, that is all XYO and IODEX. I mean, like, both of those, no wonder they both went up, is because SpaceX, I bet you, is using both of those cryptos. Lunar spatial intelligence from sensors and cameras. Well, the only sensors and cameras crypto to integrate blockchain technology is IODEX. And then the lunar spatial intelligence, the only crypto that does that is XYO. So, guys, why did IODEX and XYO blast the frick off? Now we know. I mean, I wish I would have had this information before, because I would have put 2 and 2 together back then, and I would have been like, man, I'm buying those two right now. And then I would have been super rich. You all would have been thanking me, and it would have been fun. But, oh well. Next time, maybe. All I need to do is get the right information at the right time, and I could become a millionaire, and I could bring a bunch of people with me. So, mission paid for in Doge. First crypto in space. First meme in space. Goodness. You got to be kidding me. Okay. Oops. Learn more about crypto. That's funny, dude. Yeah, she said the other day I was letting my dog learn more about crypto. So I put on your playlist for him when I was leaving. Hopefully it helped him with some hours. Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah, just have your dog trade for you in your sleep, man. It's funny. I also wonder if Doge announcement is why SHIB's still taking a little hit. Well, SHIB is taking a hit because a lot of the money's coming out of it right now. A lot of other people are moving money around because of the inflation, fiasco and worry that happened. So that's why everything is going down except for the metaverse ones, because I think Facebook is still pumping money into them. So, yeah. Smaller with the whole graph. It takes away most of the chart. Okay. That makes sense. Tiny Man Dex? and the trading of various Asia. I sound like I'm underwater. What? Man, now I'm going to have to buy a stupid microphone. Wait, there's a camera down here. Why is there a camera down here? Dude, there's a What? What is going on? Hold on. Get out of here. There's a camera right here. Why is there a camera right there? What is that for? Hold on. I got to look that up. Dude, there's a camera on my computer. Why is there a camera on the keyboard of my Chromebook? Oh. So I can flip it around the other way. Oh my God. And it's like a tablet. I got me a tablet. Basically a giant tablet. Okay. Oh man, see, I'm messing and I'm pressing all the buttons. So that's the unfortunate part about that. No more robot voice, though, at least. That's because I think this one has a lot less stuff everywhere. So, all right. Yeah, we've been here for a long time. I thank all of you for joining. Let's see if we have any more questions before we go. Wait, where did the questions go? There they are. Probably an IR sensor. Yeah, no, it is another camera. Yeah, it was. I think it's cool. It's for like if you flip it around, you want to take your picture for like a tablet type deal. It's a Chromebook, so I guess it's meant to do all that kind of stuff. So that is pretty cool. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with my buy. I do want a gaming computer though next. I really do. I want to get some nice, because I'm a gamer too. I need a gaming chair. This thing that I'm on right now, I actually threw it one time, and the leg is bent sideways. It's just one of those metal folding chairs. I got really mad and I just slammed it down and it bent the leg. Because, yeah, don't do that. So. All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!